nice. It's very sweet of everyone to come out and say hello.
Well, you are one of the family, really, since Braveheart. I think everyone has just got a thing for Mel. So when we heard you were coming, people went insane.
Well, I like it here. You know, I had a good time here. I didn't get to see much of the place. I had my head down for the whole time, you know, working.
Now, you're getting a very special award tonight for your outstanding contribution to cinema, world cinema. Are you aware of the impact you alone had with Braveheart here in Ireland and how much that changed the Irish film industry?
Yes, yeah. It's sort of made a template for, you know, people to follow in, you know, including like Private Ryan and all those other things. But yeah, so that was good. You know, it's lovely to be, you know, on the frontier of things. And
but in terms of the industry, on a night like tonight, it really was a trailblazing film where a lot of people cut their teeth and grew their passion.
Absolutely. You see, that it was so massive that we had to haul people in who were like focus pillars became, you know, camera operators and people who had never been put in the breach, you know, into positions that they weren't necessarily comfortable with. They learned on it, so it was.
And you had the Army Reserve.
Yeah, the Army Reserve. Yeah, we had the entire army. Your minister for the arts at the time was amazing. He was Michael D. Higgins was like amazing. I met the guy tonight too. He seems cut from the same cloth. So.
Okay. Now this is the 5th Irish Film and Television Awards, and I, having been to all of them, can say this is without doubt the most glamorous. I think people knew you were coming and made a special effort.
Oh wow, it's glamorous in there?
Oh, totally.
Well, you're glamorous. Look at this.
Well, thank you very much. I'm freezing, so I'm happy to hear I'm glamorous.
Put something on, for God's sake.
I don't know what the story is. Renee is perfectly warm. I'm here turning blue.
She's always warm. I don't know what that is.
She speaks so highly of you. You seem to have a really lovely friendship.
Well, we've worked together on like 3 films, and she always gets thrown in as the girlfriend and/or wife, you know. So she's a good friend, a very good friend, a very close friend. So, and she's nice. She's got the nicest soul. You know, she's great.
God, that's the highest compliment you can pay to anybody.
No. There you go.
Well, Mel, I can hear people chomping to try and get to talk to you now. So I'm going to say thank you so much for taking time to come speak with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jane Weisner, lovely to see you. Congratulations on your role in Sweeney Todd.
Thank
now,
you.
I want to just mention something. Take us back to 2005, because some people might know you from elsewhere. Isn't that right?
What, the Rose of Tralee?
That's right, yes.
Nobody would remember me from that, no.
Why wouldn't they? You represented
County Antrim.
and off you were down in Tralee.
Yeah, I was.
And how did you do? How was the week for you?
It was very interesting, very interesting. Lovely, actually. All the girls are very nice, you know.
It's about the acting now, is it?
What, in Tralee?
No, for you now.
Oh yeah, oh no, always has been, you know. That was just like something I wanted to do and it was great fun.
It was just an aside.
Kevin, I am delighted to meet you, but I have to say I have a bone to pick with you. Because for the last couple of weeks, you've been keeping me up very late at night watching back-to-back episodes.
It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. It was the other actors and that writer, Doug Ellen. Yeah, that's good. I love that you're watching it. That's cool.
It's absolutely fantastic because I was kind of left bereft when Sex and the City ended, and this is the first thing that I've been absolutely, completely addicted to.
Well, that's cool because, you know, we were worried that we were going to maybe lose our female audience because the show could be a little rough at times, but the women seem to like it, so that's good. And they often compared it with the male version of Sex and the City. I feel it's a lot different. I think ours is better, personally, but...
Well, there's not really as many shoes, which is the one failing with Entourage.
Yeah, well, guys don't really care much about shoes. But...
So, Nick Dunning, congratulations. You've just picked up the IFTA 4.
Best Supporting Actor from The Tudors.
Congratulations to you. How does that make you feel?
I feel great, absolutely wonderful. It's been a fantastic time working on it and enjoyed every single moment of it. It was just, as I said out there just now, it's just fantastic to go to work. Just enjoyed it so much. It was a great time.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Mel Gibson.
Thank you. Please sit down. Oh my God, what happened to his arms? Some folks are like that. Wow.
Thank you so much for this incredible honor. I'm really happy and pleased to be here. It's been about 13 years since I worked here. I did sneak in a couple of times now and then. I remember with a great deal of fondness, great memories, my time here, and all the men and women that worked with me and helped me achieve my vision. Some of them were just fledgling at the time, and now they're kind of like, you know, veterans of camera work and other aspects of filmmaking art, which are, you know, it's really gratifying to see. I'd like to thank you all from the very, you know, bottom of my heart. I mean, it's very moving, and I'm honored and happy and proud and glad to be here. And I'll always, you know, pop in now and then.
You're all lovely.
Well, this is where we have to leave it. It's been an incredible, glamorous night with all the very best in Irish and international talent.
We hope you've enjoyed watching. We've had a great night here at the IFTAs, but we must say
Goodbye.
Fancy a drink?
Why not?
Caroline, with all the excitement tonight, I never got to ask you, you got your lovely dress. And what is a burlesque?